This one's great. Oh, this one's great too. Oh, this is nice. This is also a corner unit as well.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
More appliances, but got a fridge, freezer, dishwasher, and convection oven.
Okay.
For utilities, you'd be responsible for electricity and Wi-Fi.
Okay.
See, also I'll just check all the storage. Okay, so this is
Sorry? So square footage doesn't need much.
Yeah, I was like, this feels.
Actually, this is 741.
This are the 2 units, right?
yeah. Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Good stuff.